What is up, guys? Welcome to the Webdev Javascript course. We're going to be discussing everything you need to know in order to write JavaScript for web applications. Now, my objective here is not to reinvent the wheel. Writing JavaScript is very well documented online, and one of the best resources for learning to write web development code is the MDN web docs. So we're going to be discussing JavaScript, but we're going to be making use of the MDN web docs as a guide for learning to write JavaScript. So think about this course as a companion to the MDN web docs. You don't actually need to look at MDN at any point in order to take this course, but if you're interested in additional background information on various concepts, this is always going to be a great resource. We're going to start with JavaScript first steps, and this is what's coming up. First of all, what is JavaScript? Sounds like a good starting point. A first splash into JavaScript. So we're going to be coding a simple guess the number game. We'll be talking about errors in JavaScript. Then we'll talk about variables, handling math, handling text, i.e. strings, useful string methods, and arrays. So this is really all of the basics for getting started writing JavaScript, and then we'll move on to the next part of the course. We'll look at some slightly more advanced JavaScript concepts in depth. So as usual with this course, the first few parts are going to be available for free online. If you want the entire course, you can find it available at www.webhacks.io, and then occasionally I upload courses to other places as well, like Udemy, for example. Alright, thanks very much for checking out this introductory video to the course. I hope that you'll stick with us throughout the entire course and learn all the important fundamentals of writing JavaScript for web applications.